You see, you're not creating your reality randomly. You're doing it through laws. It's just like gravity. The universal laws are always active. Whether you know the universal laws or not, you're being shaped by them every moment because you're always thinking and feeling. You see, everything in existence is made of energy, and energy moves in frequency. That's the law of vibration, fundamental law. Every thought, every emotion, every belief carries a measurable frequency. The law of resonance says whatever frequency you emit, you attract back experiences and circumstances to match it. Whether you're aware of this or not makes no difference. The laws are universal. And the law of attraction is just the visible result. Your outer world reflects your dominant inner state. Where you place your attention is where you place your energy every single day. These aren't metaphors, they are observable, energetic mechanics backed by neuroscience, epigenetics, quantum mechanics, neurocardiology. If you consistently and habitually feel stress, lack, fear, that becomes your baseline frequency, and your life reorganizes around it. But when you hold emotions like gratitude, clarity, certainty, your field changes, your subconscious rewires. This is called neuroplasticity. Your nervous system starts to stabilize, and your external life starts mirroring that inner shift, as within, so without. Applying the laws starts with one thing: awareness of what you're broadcasting every minute of every day. Once you consciously choose thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that match your desired outcome, well, then you're not manifesting by chance, you're manifesting by law. I'll see you in the next video.